At number 5. Rachel Ray Bakeware Set. This is a bakeware set that might need you to spend a little more, but it is worth the investment. To start with, this is one of the most beautiful bakeware sets that you will find on the market. Therefore, it completes the look and feel of your kitchen. Secondly, this is a bakeware set that is made using heavy-gauge steel construction. This is a set that features all the essential pan shapes you will need for exceptional baking results. Hence, you get both versatility and variety when you invest in this bakeware set. Additionally, you will appreciate the convenience and color that this product comes with. As a matter of fact, it has a latte-colored non-stick interior for excellent food release. At number 4. Amazon Basics Non-Stick Bakeware Set. Have you been looking for a high-quality budget-friendly bakeware set that will last as long as you need it? Amazon Basics Non-Stick Bakeware Set is all you are searching for. It features 6 pieces, and so you will find a pan to bake whatever that crosses your mind. This way, you will love the versatility of giving your friends or family a treat during the weekends or early in the morning. The construction of this bakeware set features a heavy-weight carbon steel material for even heat distribution as well as thorough heating. For effortless food release, this product features a non-stick coating. This coating also boosts ease of cleaning, and this saves you a lot of time and effort. Nonetheless, you only advise to hand wash this product as opposed to using the dishwasher. The set is oven safe up to 500 degrees F. At number 3. Chefland Nonstick Bakeware Set. Do you want to buy a basic starter kit for your baking needs in the kitchen? Then you should consider investing in this 10-piece bakeware set that will offer you great value for your money. The products in this package feature both round and square shapes, and so you can be sure that the set pairs with gastronomic dishes across the culinary scope. Therefore, regardless of whether you need a layered brownie pie, meatloaf, muffin, or pizza, you will definitely find the right pan within this bakeware set to pair with each dish. You will also appreciate the versatility of this set because you can use the products for all kinds of cooking, including roasting, poaching, frying, sautéing, stir-frying, and steaming, among others. At number 2. Gotham Steel Kitchen Cookware Bakeware Set. This is one of the best bakeware sets that feature high quality and functionality. The product is a high-end option that will offer you value for your hard-earned cash. It is a 20-piece bakeware set that gives you a lot of versatility and multiple uses, making it worth the investment. As a matter of fact, it gives you a complete kitchen delivered in a box. You will love its award-winning T-ceramic coating that gives you quick release after cooking meals. Hence, since every meal cooked in this set easily slides off the product, you do not require butter or oil when cooking. Therefore, it boosts healthy living by cutting off cholesterol from your meals. Additionally, the coating is scratch-proof, making the bakeware safe and ultra-durable. At number 1. Easy Baker Uncoated Bakeware Set. Are you looking for a bakeware set that features a natural baking surface that evenly cooks all meals? Here is all you are looking for, as it evenly distributes heat when cooking, boosting uniformity. It is a 12-piece bakeware set that is competitively priced to give you enhanced affordability. Unlike most bakeware sets on the market, this one does not have a non-stick coating. Nonetheless, its natural surface is easy to clean after use, and it also easily releases meals after cooking. It comes with steel construction that offers a heavy-duty use, boosting its durability. Additionally, the set is rust and corrosion resistant.